Yes, welcome back to Civil Engineer MCQs YouTube channel. So we have already discussed 15 MCQs on water supply engineering. Now we can move to the 16 questions. So we can complete remaining 50 MCQs. So it will be a total 30 MCQs on total 30 MCQs on water supply engineering, right? Let's start. The next question is, to control the growth of algae in reservoirs, remember the point, the compound which is used, which compound do you use? The correct answer is copper sulfate. We have to use to control the growth of algae in reservoir. So if we see, there was a reservoir, so here rapidly growing alga is rapidly growing in this reservoir, so we have to control it. So what we will do, as a site engineer, as a engineer, as a civil engineer, what we have to do, copper sulfate we have to add in this reservoir, then this copper sulfate will kill the algae growth in reservoir, so it will be controlled, right? So next question, right, the next question is 17th question. So this is problem, just note down your problem. We will discuss this problem in later on. I will upload these problems later on my YouTube channel, right? The 18th one, right? The 18th, pressure conduit laid underground may not be subjected to longitudinal temperature stress. Just remember, pressure conduit is nothing but, it's nothing but you can say, we can say, right? Let's see what is meant conduit, right? Conduit, channel for conveying, see here, channel for conveying the water or other fluid, that's it, right? This is conduit meaning, right? Conduit means supply or supplying water from one place to another place. We can say it's like pipe, guys, that's it, right? Conduit, pressure conduit laid underground, so may not be subjected to the longitudinal temperature stress, that's it, right? We can move to the 19th question, right? 19th question is, the bacteria which is require free oxygen for the survival are called as a aerobic bacteria. Remember, see, bacteria, aerobic, right? Aerobic, these bacteria require oxygen, that's it, to survive. So here anaerobic bacteria, see, an means they don't want oxygens to survival, so such bacteria is called as anaerobic bacteria, that's it. Just remember, it's like opposite word. Aerobic means they need air, anaerobic means they don't want air or oxygen. Just we can say, in general we can say oxygen, scientifically we can say oxygen, right? That's it. So here they asked free oxygen for survival, they asked, so aerobic is correct answers, right? So the 20th question, gravity conduits the generally in the form of all of the above. See, the gravity conduits already I have discussed what is conduit means, conveying of water or other fluid, right? So the correct answer is, see, the gravity conduits is generally in the form of canals, flumes, aqueduct, right? So the correct answer is all of the above. See, usually what you will guys confuse here, so gravity conduit means you guys have started thinking about, oh, canal, there was a canal, so here one canal is there, right? So what you guys will think, so here the water is flowing from gravitational force, like that you guys will think and you will get confused. So it's not like that. In every aspects of flumes and aqueducts there will be a gravitational, so there will be a gravity conduit phenomena will be going on, right? So the correct answer is all of the above, right? 21, the main disadvantages of hard water is all of the above. What are those three options are mentioned here? Hard water disadvantages are great soap consumptions, scaling of boilers, corrosion, and incrustation of pipes. So these are the three main disadvantages of hard water. Remember, right? So the next 22nd, this is a problem. It's not a problem. We will I will read the question. The formula of Q is equal to P minus K 1 T plus 32 is in which Q is a runoff, P is the annual rainfall in centimeter, T is the mean annual temperature in a centigrade, K is a constant, is known as. Just he asked what is formula of this. So the option is Coulson formula. This formula is nothing but Coulson formula, KHOSL, Coulson's formula. We can call it as Coulson formula, right? 23rd questions. 23rd, the bed slope in a slow sand filters is generally kept. Option C, 1 in 1000. Remember, 1 in 1000, right? Bed slope in slow sand filters. Just remember. That's it. 24th question. The water level in an open well. The water level in an open well has depressed by pumping of 2.5 meter and recaptured 2.87 meter in 3 hours 50 minutes. The yield of the well per minute is 0.0005 centimeter. 0.0055 is the correct answer. This is problem. This is problematic subject. Later I will discuss these problems in my YouTube channel, right? So guys, if you still not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe my civil engineering MCQ. In this channel I always discussed only MCQs. I will discuss with correct answers. So if you guys just watch my YouTube channel only for the purpose of revision, as well as just to keep watching MCQs related civil engineering topics, right? This is my YouTube channel. The YouTube channel name is Civil Engineering MCQs, right? So this one I can say. So guys, please do subscribe and like the if you guys like this YouTube video, just hit the like button and do subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Please encourage me. I will come up with the good contents. So good MCQs relating all government exams like assistant engineers, junior engineers, AEE, assistant executive engineers, ESC, engineering service exams, SSC, JEE and GATE, and these all exams and other PSU related MCQs and also other state government exams, right? This is all about my YouTube channel descriptions, right? We can move to the 26th questions. So here I will read. Pick up the incorrect statement. Always remember, he asked incorrect statement from the following, right? Incorrect. Option D is incorrect ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Lower value pH gives the alkaline solution is not incorrect. So the correct of 3 are the pH value of water indicates the logarithm of reciprocal hydrogen concentration in water. It's a correct statement. Higher value of pH means lower hydrogen in ion concentration. It's a correct. Lower value of pH means higher hydrogen in concentration. It's correct. So lower value of pH means not pH gives the alkaline solutions. No, if lower value of pH means it not gives the alkaline solutions. Always remember, right? It won't give the alkaline solutions. That's it. So 26 is correct answer is D. So it's an incorrect statement. So that's why he asked incorrect statement. So that's why the D has correct answers, right? 27th one. Mostly used congruent. It's a alum. You heard about alum congruents, right? So guys, I am asking you one question. You can just comment your answer in comment section. So comment is open for you guys. Alum congruents advantages or uses of alum congruents. 3 main uses of alum coagulants. just comment the answer. 3 main uses, that's it, not more than this, right? Just comment 3 main alum coagulants in comment section, that's it. So the 28th one, right? Centrifugal pump is required to be primed before starting if it is located. So the centrifugal pump is required to be primed before starting. Centrifugal pump, always remember centrifugal pump he asked. So the correct answer is option A. He said at a higher level than the water level of reservoir is the correct answer, he said, right? Just remember. So the 29th one and 30th one, right? These two are the last MCQs of this video, and I will come up with third video after that. I will do 31st to 50, right? Or 55 will come up with next video. So in this video 13th MCQs, right? We have done 13th MCQs, that is 15 to 30 MCQs, right? Yes. So the next two MCQs are 29th and 30th. So the 29th I will study now, right? Suction left of pump depends upon all of the above. So the atmospheric pressure, water temperature, velocity of water in suction pipe. This is depend, right? Suction lift of pump depends upon these 3 segments. And the last one, it's a problem. I think it's not a problem also. He asked normal values of overflow rate of plain sedimentation tank. You have to remember these things. So while reading, he will in textbook or in notes, he will be give in some tables. In that table he will mention like plain table, sedimentation, overflow rate, and the sedimentation lack overflow. So the correct answer of this is 500 to 750 liters per hour per meter square is the correct answers. So the normal value of overflow rate, right? Normal value of overflow rate, of plain sedimentation is taking 500 to 700. So this is all about, guys. We have completed total 30 MCQs. First 50 MCQs on first video. So the remaining first 50 videos, that is 15 to 30 MCQs on this video. So and also remaining 30 to 45 or 50 MCQs is coming in next video. So guys, please do subscribe and I will come up with the next video. Thank you guys. Thank you. We will meet you on the next video.